AI Edit. First, submit your editing instructions. The AI will execute your request and instantly highlight the changes with diff areas, so you can see exactly what was updated. If you change your mind, simply hit Restore. You can revert any instruction to return your table to its original state, keeping you in full control of your data. AI Analyze. First, ask your questions directly. You can chat with the AI to dig into the details, or have it instantly generate summaries and full analysis reports. From there, you can use these insights to make faster decisions. It's like having a data expert right in the panel, turning complex information into clear answers and polished reports. AI Create. First, provide your context. Upload local files, like PDFs, Office docs, or images, or link directly to Zoom Workplace and your workspace channels. Next, enter your prompt. The AI understands your instructions and can even use web search to find real-time answers. From there, it generates a draft using all your resources. You can refine the results instantly, turning your files and ideas into a finished product in seconds. AI Formula. First, describe your goal. You can submit your requirements right in the cell to insert formulas directly, and they'll behave exactly like ones you wrote manually. Alternatively, you can use the AI cPanel to generate and refine complex formulas before copying them into your table. From there, you can tweak or update them anytime. It turns your plain English instructions into powerful logic, so you can skip the syntax and focus on the results. AI Function. First, set up your function just like a regular formula. You can write your expression using natural language prompts and simply select the range where you want it to work. Next, choose a preset if you need a head start. We've built in templates for common tasks, like summarization, sentiment analysis, or format adjustments, so you don't have to start from scratch. If your source data changes, you'll get a notification. From there, you can instantly regenerate the results, ensuring your AI-powered columns stay perfectly in sync with your latest information.